Hi, today at Classic Showcase we're showing you a 4.2 Series 1 E-Type 1966 that we just finished a rotisserie restoration on. Extensive work by the team at Classic Showcase. This car is in its original color combination, matching numbers, and everything's documented in the heritage certificate that goes with the car. It's got beautiful lines. The beauty of the Series 1 E-Type is unmatchable. It's a 2-passenger car, ample luggage room, it locks up tight, and it's got all the beauty and lines of an early E-Type. I'm going to walk around and show you more of the car. Look at the lines of a coupe's back. Look at the rear hatch. Look at how sleek it is. Look at the dual exhaust. It all flows together to make such a wonderful design in an E-Type. In the cockpit, we feature the full instrumentation, the bucket seats, the 4.2 transmission, the beautiful wood steering wheel that's telescopic. This has got everything built in. All Series 1 E-Types are all the same. This is called a Series 1 because it's got the more comfortable bucket seats, and the seats also recline. On the back of the seats, it's covered in moquette, an original material that the factory used. You have a center cubby box with an armrest here, and you have armrest on the doors, on both doors. Back here you have your cubby area for storage for when you're either driving the car or the car's being stored. And it has luggage runners on here so that this stops the luggage from going forward if this is down, or this could be locked in an open position and you have a little bit less cargo room back there, but all your luggage stays in the rear. The headliner is also matching for the interior. Comes in 2 various colors. This is the gray for this interior, and you also could get tan. And the sun visors, everything is completed just as it left the factory in 1966. Wonderful car. Now, one of my favorite parts of a 4.2 E-Type is under the bonnet. This 265 horsepower inline 6 overhead cam engine, 3 SU carburetors, fabulous power plant matched up with dual exhaust and a 4-speed. With your cooling system up front, this one's fitted with an aluminum radiator and the stock fan with a brand new header tank, disc brakes front and rear, SU carburation over here, exhaust manifolds that have been re-porcelain treated, the cooling system, the heating system, all of this has been renewed. This factory-sized battery, voltage regulator, hydraulic system, all systems rebuilt to factory specs or better. This is like a reborn E-Type. This is brand new from Classic Showcase. Everything comprehensively rotisserie restored. This wonderful coupe comes with a video containing all the files and photos documenting the complete restoration of this vehicle.